Thanks for checking out our DashSkin video install guide for the 07 through 14 GM trucks and SUVs with the single glove box style dash. To ensure you order the correct color, check your trim code inside your glove box. These truck models come in two different style dashes. Check to see if you have a single or dual glove box. An important detail to check is whether or not you have a speaker in the center of your dash. We recommend taping up your A-pillars to avoid scratching them when dry fitting and installing your dash skin. Now let's be sure to thoroughly clean the original dash using a commercial grade degreaser, such as Zep Purple, Purple Power, or Simple Green. Now let's dry fit the cover to verify alignment and fitment and plan where extra weights will need to go. We recommend applying silicone to any existing cracks on your dash, as well as outlining any holes in your dash. Your dash is extremely cracked like this one. You can add an extra tube of silicone to your order at dashskin.com. Next, let's apply the silicone to the underside of the dash skin, using the same pattern that's illustrated in your install guide. Now we're ready to install. When installing, bend it in the middle so that it'll slide past the A-pillars and go right into place. Next, let's go over any seams and edges and make sure everything lines up correctly before applying weights. To clean any excess silicone, just take a wet rag and wipe it off. A tricky place to get weights is up by the windshield. A little trick is taking rags and rolling them up and then shoving them between the windshield and the dash. This will provide even pressure across while the silicone cures. Next, let's evenly apply weights across the entire dash. You can use reams of printer paper, sandbags, or even phone books. For the front surfaces, you can use a telescoping prop rod, or alternatively, you could use PVC or a piece of wood that's cut to length with a rag on each end. Now let's close the pieces of foam that were included with your order between the door and the side of the dash. With so many options when shopping online, thank you for choosing DashSkin, where all our products are and always will be made right here in the USA.